Breaking news: arrest in the Palisades Fire. A 29-year-old man, Jonathan Rindeknecht, was arrested in Florida and charged in connection with the Pacific Palisades wildfire. Officials say he set a small brush fire on January 1st that smoldered and then erupted into the Palisades Fire on January 7th. That blaze killed 12 people, burned about 23,000 acres, and destroyed roughly 6,800 buildings. Investigators say video, phone data, and witness statements helped identify him. The ATF led the probe. He now faces federal arson charges in Los Angeles. Follow for verified updates.